Hello, stars. Welcome and welcome back. Somto here, and you're welcome to a day in my life as a new mom that is still in her omugo period with the baggage of a toddler. Yeah. So here, the baby, I woke up, breastfed her, and she went back to sleep. My eldest daughter, Ibuchin, she has gone to church with her father. So I have some time to do some work around the house. So this is me taking my clothes to the laundry room, or to the washing machine. Guys, don't mind me. I don't have a washing machine. My mom is going to wash them. She's amazing. So now I can start cleaning. I will be cleaning my two-bedroom apartment. First, I am sweeping everywhere. I will sweeping every corner of this house. Okay, I want to make sure that everywhere is clean. You guys, let's forget about this clean with yourself. Let me talk to you people, because me, I don't understand. I have been trying to upload videos on YouTube for the past how many days now, going to 1 week, and I can't even upload a video to YouTube. I have a lot of haircuts and hair short style videos that I really not wanted. I'm still trying to upload them. I don't know, my phone has just been giving me problem. A few weeks, a few months, let me say, in my phone fell down early this January, and the screen had problem. It fell down where I was filming a video, and the screen went blind. Since they repaired out this phone for me, it has just been from one problem to the other, and I don't even have money. I don't have money to buy a new phone. I'm telling you this thing because it's heavy in my heart, and I don't know who else to talk to. If not you, my two friends, because I really, really need you to do something for me. Pray for me. I'm losing my mind, guys. As a stay-at-home housewife, my phone is the only companion I have. The laptop I used to use before, the laptop spoiled, and at this point, I do not know what to do, guys. I am exhausted. I don't know what to do. This my YouTube channel is the only way I keep body and soul together. And now the phone I'm managing to do all these things is giving me problems. I am tired. I don't know what to do. Honestly, I cried because of this phone. Can you imagine not being able to do anything? I haven't even recorded a little as a TikTok video. This video right here, I have been trying to edit it for the past how many days, and now you see that the video set is not much edited because the phone I'm using is just busy giving me problems. I don't know what to do. And as to something new in my life, I took an online class on lip gloss making, and the class is over now. And my fellow students, the people that I took the exam with, I took the class with, they have started their own businesses. Most of them have started. But look at me now. I'm left here doing nothing. I want to actually let me make a practical to know if I actually learned from what I did, because I don't want to just come out and start making lip glosses. I want to take a test. I will test myself to know if I actually learned something. But I have been searching for the products, for ways to buy the products in this Bamako. I didn't see. And the lady that taught us the lip gloss making, lip balm, all those things, she gave us a vendor's number, but the vendor is in Nigeria. So I messaged this vendor explaining to her that, oh, see, I am not in Nigeria. I want to know if you can deliver these items to me in Bamako. This lady told me to wait, that she would ask her delivery man. It has been weeks. It has been a week now. But she's yet to give me feedback. This girl will not allow me to talk, so I don't know what to do. I'm really tired. So if you watch this video and you know a vendor that sells Basta gel and all those things, please let me know in the comment sections, because I want to a vendor that stays in Aba precisely, because I have someone there. If I can get the vendor in Aba, my sister that lives here can find a way to give it to somebody that is coming to this Bamako to bring for me. So help me, guys, help me, okay? I want to be productive this 2024. And guys, I think I should tell you that this channel is not monetized yet. It is not. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, why it's not getting monetized yet. But yeah, all these videos I upload, I spend money, and at the end of the day I get nothing in return. It is frustrating, but I do this because I love what I am doing. I love bringing short hairstyles and haircuts, and these ones I do now, it's a little something. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. And yeah, guys, this Sunday, this on the 4th, I am going for my child dedication. Yes, you know that it has been 3 months already since I gave birth to my second daughter, Chifunaya. So we are going for child dedication. Guys, so sorry that I've been talking and blabbing too much. I am just concerned. I'm worried, and I have no one else to talk to about it. I am hoping that you could be a friend to me, just like I have taken you as my friend. I'm hoping that you also will take me as your friend and advise me, give me some sisterly advice, some friendly advice, and help me out, guys. Please do not forget, if you have any vendor that sells Vasagel and lip gloss lifting items that stays in Aba, even over itself or Anambra State, it will be highly appreciated. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know if anybody is listening. I don't know if this video is going to get to your ear, but if this gets to your ear, thank you so much. Your support, I love it. I love it so much. So yeah, thank you, guys. Bye.